Question 3. The continuous function f is defined on the closed interval from -6 to +5, and the figure shows a portion of the graph of f. So if we take a look at the graph, we can see that the area from -2 to +5. What we don't have is the area from -6 to -2. So the part of f that we see from -2 to 5, it consists of these line segments, and the blue part here is made by this quarter circle centered at 5, 3. So, and we have a point at 3 and 3 minus root 5 on the graph of f, so I've got that there. Okay, I've started kind of filling in some of these units here, but basically what we have here is that for part A, it says if the area from -6 to +5 is equal to 7, so the area including the part that's not known is 7, and we want to find out the area from -6 to -2, the part that's not shown. What we can do is take the whole area, which is from -6 to 5, and that area is 7, and we're going to take away the area that we've been shown here from -2 to +5. So that's what we've got to the right here. So from -6 to -2 is going to be equal to the area from -6 to +5, the entire area minus the area that we don't want, which would be the area shown here. So what I need to then do is I just need to start with 7 and take away all the area that I have from -2 to +5, and it's going left to right, so I can count it all in the right as positive. So I'm going to take away, so I start with 7, I'm going to take away, put in brackets here, the first part is that green area, which is from -2 to -1, and that's going to be +1/2. And then from -1 to +0.5, that's going to have a width of 1.5, a height of 1, and then divide by 2 because it's a triangle. So we're going to end up with an area that looks like that area is going to be 3/4. It's going to be -3/4. Okay, so that's going to be 1.5 divided by 2. That little sliver here, and I'm going to start writing that in. So this area is 3/4 units. This area here is 1/2 units. And here, this little sliver here is equal to 1/4. But if you take a look at, and we can see that the area above and below, the green and the red, is going to be equivalent. That's going to just net to 0. So basically, we're looking at the area, the purple area and the blue area. So when I look at the purple area, that purple area is going to be this trapezoid area, which we worked out to be 2 units. And then the blue area is going to be this whole square here, which is 9. And I write this in blue here, plus that area of 9, and we're going to take away the quarter circle, so that's quarter circle with a radius of 3, so it's going to be 3 squared pi divided by 4, so it's going to be 9 pi over 4. Okay, and that's going to represent that quarter circle. Okay, so this sum here, this portion here, is going to have a 0 sum, so that's just going to cancel out. Okay, make that a little bit darker here. So this is going to cancel out, and then summing up the rest of this, we start with 7, and this is going to be minus, looks like 11, minus 9 pi over 4. Okay, and then this works out to be positive 9 pi over 4 minus 4, and that's going to be the area under that curve. So the value of the area from -6 to -2 is going to have an area of 9 pi over 4 minus 4 units squared.